morning, my friends. I have friends below me. It has been 3 weeks since my last video. I plan to make a video a week, not a week, a video a month or 2 videos. I am a mom of 4 and we homeschool, so there are other priorities in life right now, unless I feel ambitious to make more videos. But anyway, it is October, I think 26th. Yes, it's 7:58 in the morning. It is beautiful and cool.
Chippy's way behind, girl.
It's like 69 degrees. It's wonderful. Sorry if that just made you dizzy when I turned. Anyways, I am back here. I have some things to update you with. And we had to pivot with some things that I had planted, and I'll show you why. I just took out the zinnias that were here the other day, but more zinnias are growing. But I have the Japanese boxwoods. I cut them down. Hi, Chippy. We still have the ghetto fencing because, yeah, the puppies can fit through. But anyways, let me show you what we had to change. So we still have our blue rug juniper chilling here, and there is like a stuffed animal thing. I don't know what that is. But here, I have not planted this blue rug juniper. And hibiscus is looking lovely. I still have to get more mulch and fill it out in here. And I'll plant like annuals next year. The blueberries have stayed and they look healthy and happy. They look like they're doing well. Here's what's changed. He's perishing. The pear tree's gone, and I popped a banana tree. Oh, you know why he's barking? This is why he's making that noise. Chip, no. These are some banana pups from my in-laws, guys. I'm so sorry about the dog. I planted them. We'll see how they will do. This is actually looking good. Chippy. He sees the cat. Banana pups. Pear tree's gone. We have holes from the fruit trees that we had planted. Why? Well, let me go somewhere else to explain so you can hear me. So we had those trees planted there, and I had an idea of an orchard. And our pear tree we planted when we first got here in July, and it was growing. It had new growth. It withstood Tropical Storm Fred with crazy flooding down there. Well, now it's been a more than average wet year here, so this probably won't happen every year, but we had some flooding again. Here are some photos of that. We're flooded again. It's not as bad as Fred. With Fred, it was all the way to this post. It was actually up to this tree, but it keeps rising because the waters are flowing from up north down low. The dogs, I don't even know if they can go down the stairs right now. Let's see. Can they go down? Nope. Uh-oh. And what happened was, when there was that flooding, those fruit trees were just sopping wet, and they actually looked okay. They looked like they were going to be fine, but I'm trying to take into account if this is something that happens a lot, where that's going to be wet down there, those fruit trees, they're going to have root rot and they're going to die. So I ended up moving them, and I'll show you where I moved them in a second. I moved them and I moved the pear tree. So that's different, and I think what we're going to put down there is wet loving things, maybe not stuff that produces any food. Oh, rested my arm on my mirror. I use my iPhone to record these for now. Anyways, I think we're gonna put some things like maybe some cypress down there, some native things that like water. Even some, I think ash magnolia might like, or not, maybe not likes wet feet, but will deal with it. Anyways, we're gonna buy some things that will be good down there. And yeah, the blueberries seem fine. I did not move those. I think I might be able to fit in like 2 or 3 more blueberry bushes to make a little hedge right there. But I might also move those eventually and put them around my garden space, which I keep moving the beds because I'm at a loss for where to put those. We have sloping yard, so it's really hard to find a place, and the spot that I'd like to put them in is right above where our septic tank drain field is, and that stinks. I'm like, oh, that's gonna be such a wasted space there, but I planted a willow back not near it, so don't freak out, it's not gonna clog the drains or anything, but I planted a willow back there, so it'll get big and nice and pretty, so it won't be envious of that open sunny spot anymore, because eventually it won't be sunny because willows grow really fast. But anyways, I might move the blueberry bushes eventually, but I do plan on still taking that juniper, blue rug juniper, and just making a little garden bed there, and maybe something along the fence that likes a little bit of water. Maybe I'll keep those 2 blueberries at the front, and then maybe I'll just do hibiscus the whole way down, because hibiscus, they don't mind water, and especially native hibiscus to Florida, swamp hibiscus, they like boggy things and they like water, and they would do great down there. So I might shift and change that. So let me show you where I moved these fruit trees. We do live by a very busy road. Mommy! So you're going to hear big trucks, but let me show you. These are the ones that we planted. They were just little babies. We planted them in between, I think this is rutabaga. Those ones aren't doing as well because there's shade. But these 2 are just rocking and rolling with their lives.
I love that
This
one.
is the fence we installed between our house and our garage. And there's the neighbor's horsies. You like which one?
This one. It's so
This
pretty.
pink one?
Yeah, the big one.
It is very pretty.
I like the one that's blooming.
You like this one?
Purple. It looks
You
like,
like this guy?
I like the purple.
Yeah.
It looks like a mermaid.
This is Mommy's favorite one.
Mommy.
Yes,
Ooh,
bud.
that is pretty. Mommy.
Yes, bud.
Can you tie the shoes?
Yes.
I don't know why. I don't know why.
Hi, Bill. I have the boxes here. Now in the summer, these will get not completely full sun, but pretty close. And I'm reading a lot. In Florida, you can't put things in full sun. Anyway, right here, this is right by our driveway. I put them right here, and they'll get sun in the summer and sun right now, as you can see, in the fall and winter. Now, they're gonna grow 15 feet, and there is a big oak up on top of them. But they should do well. Little peep. So I'm gonna come and show you on this side. So this is the road. This is our driveway. I've got hydrangeas. I got 3 fire bushes right over here to eventually create privacy. And here are the fruit trees. Now, so when you're pulling in on our driveway, it will actually eventually block the house. So it's kind of like dual purpose. It'll block the view from the road on this side behind me. So that'll be really nice. So that's where I moved those, and then I'll show you where I moved the pear. So the pear is over yonder. Hi, chickies.
Mommy, we need to wash our shoes again.
You need to wash your shoes.
Yeah, under.
Did I mention in the last video? I don't know. The old chicken coop was right here. We tore it down, so it's disassembled, and it looks crazy right here, right now. Those are the panels. That's the roof. Here's another piece of the roof. It was right here. It's what we moved in with. So there's lots of buckets and stuff with garbage because we're working on cleaning it up. And Chris started building the kids a clubhouse. I'll show you that in a minute. But can you see the pear? Here's Mr. Pear. So Mr. Pear is right here, living his best life. And this is the new growth. Like, this was new. It didn't have any branches when we bought it. It was just a stick with leaves. So this is new. This is new. We're up on the hill, and it was down there. Oh my goodness, my voice. So anyway, we're gonna have bananas down there because they love water, and we'll have the blueberry or hibiscus lane here to block the fence sort of and make it pretty. And then this is the clubhouse. This is so cool. So that tree that we fell, it's not a waste because I'm telling you, the blueberries and stuff needed more sun too, and the bananas benefit from that. But now we have this clubhouse here, which is super exciting. There's the pear tree, 3 of my children. Not sure where the 4th is. And then there are the other fruit trees over there by the garden beds. Yeah, we are doing good. I told the kiddos we would go to the, there's a preserve and bayou near us. We just found it. It was just actually, it just opened for the first time in I think July or June. So we've been going there a lot. It's like, it's so close to our house. It's beautiful. And so I told the kids we would go there this morning and we would go for a walk and then play in the park there. And then I would maybe get them donuts. So I'll show you a little bit of that preserve. And that's it for this video, guys. I will be back sooner than 3 weeks this time because, yes, I am going to start filling our garden beds and putting some fall stuff in for November, which is crazy. Never thought I'd be able to say that I could plant stuff in November. That's definitely not something this Pennsylvania girl is used to, but when you're in Florida, sunshine, life is a little bit different. I made an Instagram account with this name. So I haven't had Instagram. This is a very chatty video, very sorry. I haven't had Instagram for about a year, but I hopped back on just for this account so I can post day-to-day things and you're not waiting so long to see what we're doing here. I'll post gardening things, but that way in between videos, we have something to look at and enjoy, and you can see what we're up to over here. If you're interested in failing forward with us in this beautiful climate of Northwest Florida, Zone 8B, with my 4 crazy children, don't forget to subscribe and like. We will definitely be back. I'm putting shoes on for my child right now. Okay, bye.
We could bring them here and they could take a little drink. So sweet. Yeah, that's like a mom. No, we Mommy. Wow. Oh, they're sticky and soft. Yeah, they're sticky and soft. Let me see where we were. That's where we were.
Yeah, we're normally over on that dock. American alligator. It talks about the American alligator.
It's so pretty.
Yeah,
Mommy,
those
we
are
can
here.
kayak in here, but it's a new.
Then you walk up on a park. It's gorgeous.
Many beautiful walks I have.